ShenZhen Bao'an Intelligent Control Technology Co. Limited. Our company focuses on the research and development, production and sales of fluid control aviation equipment. The company's products are widely used in high-end manufacturing fields, such as new energy, automobiles, mobile phones, chips, and medical care. In the field of automation equipment, our have many years of technical experience and has successfully developed and mass-produced a variety of standard models, such as jet valve zero dispensing machine, desktop dispensing machine, which can adapt to the dispensing production needs of different products. In the automation expansion, we have also independently developed and produced automatic blanking soldering machines, floor standing screw machines, online glue filling machines, mobile high-speed viewer equipment, etc. Please feel free to contact us if you are interested.